So I've always wondered, now I'm outside, have some experiment to do. We have a spare microwave that we need to go to landfill, but before it goes and do an experiment, can it save a wet book? Like, can you microwave a wet book to make it dry? Now, before you get too angry, this book is already destined for the bin, as it's the glue binding is gone, so it's missing like 20 or 30 pages, so it's actually unreadable. But I do have a microwave, so let me have a lovely microwave outside, and a bucket of water, and we have some soap to make it smell nice afterwards, because why not? Because I remember seeing, is it good to microwave this? On the old YouTube days. Do you remember seeing much about books? And I thought, why not? Why so? Book in water. Oh no! You've been rained on! It's the rain! Oh no! Rain! Just imagine you just kept this book out in the rain accidentally, and it's just all soaking through all over the pages of the book. Again, this book was destined for the bin. Literally saved it. I thought I might as well. Destined for, that book is a chunky book. So let's squeeze it out. Oh no, you've dropped it in the pool or your wash basket. Like that, and then set the camera up. I hope you won't be able to see this, otherwise that'd be a bit embarrassing. Let's get the hook. Yeah. So can the microwave save the book? Comment below what you think is going to happen. So we want it on high, and stick it in for 3 minutes. Can't you see any of this? Is the book? Oh, it's toasty. It's very, very toasty warm. There's steam coming out. Oh, I think the glue is gone. So I think that pretty much proves it. You cannot save a book by microwaving it because it'll just melt the glue. Oops. Well, we were already destined for the bin, or to be turned into confetti, I think that's what the plan was. To answer the age-old question, can you microwave a book to save it from being wet? No. This is really, really hot. Oh, I got some pages. Oh, frick, that's really hot. Oh. And to help with the smell, just gonna get some soap. This is the classic thing that everyone likes to stick in the microwave at least once. I don't know if you can see, but there's definitely lots of steam coming off the top. Ooh. I mean, it smells lovely, but this is questionable. I think I'm going to stop after a minute. Actually. Oh, the book is still really hot down here. Like, it's toasty. Well, it feels like a hand warmer. Oh. Well, I think a minute was too long. Well, from that we've learnt that you cannot microwave a book to save it from water, but it will make a really nice, like, heat thing. Also, there's a dry patch here, which I think it did actually dry that bit out. I don't know. Madness. This is like a really nice, like, oh, it's a bit wet, like, page, water pillow. Yeah, so, before you get too mad, I did do a video earlier this year saying that, like, paperback, like, audiobooks, digital books are better because this is just melted into nothing with the saving of it, so yeah, don't microwave your books unless you want them to be, get every single page out. If you want to get all the glue out, maybe that's the way, microwave the glue, separate the pages out. Then you have a whole book you can just decorate for wallpaper or something maybe. Might be useful for you, but yeah. I'm gonna maybe dry it out, see if I can do something with it. Well, there you go. To like, comment and subscribe below. And if you thought this was useful or stupid, let me know down below. And if you always add a butterfly, because that's close to the title. There's butterflies on it somewhere. I don't know. Yeah, drop a butterfly emoji down below to let us know. And I'm gonna... Ew. Oh, that's like toasty warm and gross. Oh. It looks like... Yeah, I'm not gonna eat that. Right. Bye. Bye.